Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make some fake snow. You will need some sodium bicarbonate or baking soda and some white hair conditioner. So let's see how I made my new friend the snowman. So step 1, we're going to take our baking soda or sodium bicarbonate and we're going to open it up. We want to measure 1 cup full. So tip it into a cup and into the bowl. In total we need 3 cupfuls, so 2 more. Then taking white hair conditioner and we need half a cupful of this. So into the cup and tip it into the bowl. Now the fun part, we're going to start mixing with our hands. Mix, mix, mix. It should be light and fluffy, just like snow. If it's too wet, you can add some more sodium bicarbonate or baking powder, but I think mine is pretty good. I'm going to tip it out onto a baking tray. And this is where we can have some fun, so we can make some snowballs. And I'm making a snowman. I made him a scarf and of course he needs some eyes. And a mouth. And a nose. And there is my snowman. Say hello, Mr. Snowman. You can create a winter wonderland scene. You can do whatever you want with your snow. Okay, bye bye, Mr. Snowman. Bye bye, friends.